Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable dryers designed for small spaces, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer and the Elevon 800W Portable Clothes Dryer. In this video, we'll explore their unique features, pricing, and how they stack up against each other in terms of performance and convenience. Whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or dormitory, finding the right dryer can make all the difference in your laundry routine. Let's dive in! The Aptovpvp Portable Dryer utilizes a static hanging mechanism that circulates hot air to dry clothes, making it extremely portable and easy to set up. However, this method may lead to wrinkles and is limited to smaller items. In contrast, the Elevon 800W Portable Clothes Dryer employs a mechanical tumbling action within a stainless steel drum, providing a more traditional drying experience that effectively reduces wrinkles and ensures even drying. This makes the Elevon a better choice for larger loads and a variety of fabric types. When it comes to price, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is significantly more affordable at just $99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the Elevon 800W Portable Clothes Dryer is priced at $222, reflecting its more robust construction and larger capacity. While the Elevon offers more features and better drying performance, the higher cost may be a deterrent for some buyers, especially those with limited budgets. The Aptovpvp Portable Dryer excels in portability, featuring a lightweight and foldable design that makes it easy to transport and store, ideal for those who frequently move or travel. In contrast, the Elevon 800W Portable Clothes Dryer, while compact, weighs over 44 pounds and is designed for more permanent installation, making it less suitable for those who need to relocate their dryer often. If portability is your primary concern, the Aptovpvp is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer and the Elevon 800W Portable Clothes Dryer have their unique advantages and drawbacks. The Aptovpvp is perfect for those seeking an affordable, portable solution for small items, while the Elevon offers a more traditional drying experience with better results for larger loads. Depending on your specific needs and living situation, one of these dryers will surely meet your laundry requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.